Wagwan YouTube, you don't know it's Shickaa Chung, and I'm back at it again today with another video. Guys, today is Vlogmas day 1. Oh my god, yo. It just coming like, it was just the other day when I did Vlogmas for the first time. Like, yo, 2021 went by so fast. I'm so excited that it's Vlogmas. Oh my god, like, guys. This year's gonna be a challenge for me still because the place is open and we're working, so oh my god, how am I gonna make vlogs and how am I gonna make videos? But guys, don't worry, I'm gonna be on it. I have some plans of what I'm gonna do for Vlogmas. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. If you're new, wagwan, please like this video and please comment when you see something interesting in this video. So guys, Vlogmas day 1. Oh my god. 25 days of this. Oh Lord, I'm so excited. But guys, I have some stuff planned out. I don't have videos planned out for like the whole entire Vlogmas. So please guys, if you guys can give me some ideas of what I can do for Vlogmas, please drop it in the comments below. Because guys, I really want to push out some interesting and nice content. And content that's not boring. But yeah, so for today's Vlogmas, I'm just gonna do a simple vlog. Today I have a client just now. Right now it's 10:30 and my client is coming 11. Obviously I won't be vlogging that. After that I'm gonna be going over to my aunt's house to decorate for Christmas because she asked me to. Everybody thinks I'm creative, so they want me to decorate their home. So yeah, that's what I'm pretty much gonna do today. I think today also I'm gonna create some content, so I have videos to push out for Vlogmas. So a rundown of like my videos that I have planned. Like, I definitely do have a Shein haul. I was supposed to push it out before Vlogmas, but time caught up on me and I was unable, so that's gonna be a Vlogmas video. I am traveling, so you guys are gonna get like a week's worth of like traveling vlogs. So yeah, I'm traveling somewhere. I'm not going to Jamaica, but I'm going somewhere. Yeah, so right now I'm pretty much gonna start off my day. I'm gonna go eat my breakfast and stuff like that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. So my client is under the dryer. Guys, remember Kimar? Kimar say wagwan to the vlog. Yeah. So I'm gonna make him give some appearances during this Vlogmas. We're gonna do challenges and stuff together, right? Yeah. We're gonna do challenges.
Don't tell me wagwan already.
Don't tell me wagwan.
Yeah.
But anyways, guys, yeah, so I'm doing a silk press service on my client. So what that consists of is I wash the hair, I give it a treatment. So that's what's happening right now. So she's under the dryer. So when my clients are under the dryer, I come out here and I just, you know, chill. And then I'll give them a nice blowout, silk their hair, trim it if they need to. So that's what I do. Majority of my clients get silk presses. Hopefully one day in this vlog I can do a day in the life of a hairstylist video, and you guys can kind of get an idea of like what I do in my daily life. But yeah, hey guys, so I'm just checking in with you guys. I haven't went to my aunt's house yet. I told you guys that I was gonna go decorate. I haven't went there yet. So right now, if you guys watched my previous Vlogmas from last year, you guys know that my mom have a rum cake business. So right now I'm just in my book because I'm like the customer service person. I'm just in my book writing down like the orders for each day in December. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm wearing this on me, the inch measure, because I have some clients coming because I make wigs as well. So I'm gonna measure their head size so I can make sure that the wig, you know, fits perfectly on their hair. So that's what I'm here doing right now, guys. Like, this week I am so busy. Like, just the thought of how busy I am, it's crazy right now. I need to do my assignment. I have an assignment due tomorrow. I have assignment due Friday. Like, guys, this week is a stressful week, but I'm trying not to let that take me down. So yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys. We're finishing this Vlogmas day very strong. I'm in such a good mood. Oh my god, guys, let me show you guys. Cake orders, we're gonna be selling sorrel and rum punch. So I just got like the bottles for them. So we're gonna be selling it in this size bottle. Yes, Saraland rum punch for my Jamaicans or those who love. So I have just a bunch of stuff to do. Also, we're gonna be a part of a expo in the middle of this month. So I'm here trying to plan out like how we're gonna set up our booth and stuff. So guys, just a bag of things for this month. So yeah, I'm gonna make sure that I vlog each and every event that we do or each and everything that we do this month, because this month is definitely a busy month. And I look a mess. Jeez. But guys, I'm just gonna end off the vlog right now so I can get this vlog up before the day is done. So I hope you guys enjoyed my Vlogmas day 1. It was somewhat a little bit boring, but it was basically just giving you a rundown as to what's gonna be happening this month. So guys, make sure that you guys subscribe. If you made it this far, click the like button. Make sure you guys share this video. Like, if you don't share it, what are you saying? Make sure you guys subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Yo, to how I'm tired, I can barely even chat right now. But guys, this was Vlogmas day 1. So stay tuned for Vlogmas day 2. I put up 3 finger at 2.